Alright, greetings and salutations everyone. Jake Vegas here. Today we're going to do some fishing. Been getting skunked the past couple times I've been coming out fishing. Haven't had much luck in the various ponds and lakes I've been on. And today I'm heading back to Aberdeen. That's the golf course pond that I first started catching bass on 20 years ago. Giving it another shot. Going to see how well we do. Now I've been using an app called Fishbrain. If you guys are not familiar with Fishbrain, I'm going to place a review of the app on my channel. If you guys want to, feel free to check that out when it becomes available. But yeah, I've been going off Fishbrain and I've had some luck using the app. But today it's about 4 o'clock in the evening. We just had some rain. It's cooled off a bit. Been really hot here in northwest Indiana, so I'm hoping with this little bit of a cold front that's moving in that the bass might be biting. So without further delay, let's head down there, try to do some fishing in this episode of Hooking Up. Hello, how you guys doing? A little bit of time since I've been down here. Looks like it's gotten real weedy right here. Alright. Not much room to fish, ladies and gentlemen. But we're going to give it a shot anyway. See if we can have any luck. Catching them. There we go. We got a fish on. We got a fish on, ladies and gentlemen. What do we got here? Oh yeah, looks like a bass. Looks like a bass. I don't want him to get caught in those weeds there. We gotta guide him over. There he is. He slammed this little jig. Oh, we lost him. Great. Come on. There we go. We got a fish on. We got one on. Ooh, this is a nice size one too, I think. Gotta keep him out of those trees. Don't want the fucking... Oh, pardon me. Don't want the hook to jump out of him. Let's see what we got here. Can we get this one up here? Getting them a little bit farther than we got the last one. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. First bass, first fish on this trip. Ah, there we go. Look at that, not bad. Looks like she's about a 2-pounder. Right there, good sized fish. There's bigger ones out there, and I'm actually not even going for bass, guys. Look at what I'm using. We'll put this lovely little thing back in the water, but look what I'm using. I'm not even going for bass. I'm going for panfish right now, which normally seems to be the case. I'm using this tiny little jig here for panfish, and that's the second bass I've got on the line. You saw the one earlier, we lost it. This one we were able to get in off of this little jig. Let's see if we can get some panfish, but I'm not going to argue if we catch any more bass either. Can't tell. What the hell was that? There's a little something down there. There we go. We got one, guys. Finally got a panfish on. See if we can get it up here. Tighten up that drag a little bit. Finally got a panfish on. Oh boy. This one looks like a bona fide bluegill. Doesn't look like it's a crossbreed between anything else. If you guys saw my last video, I was fishing on the other pond on the other side of this one, and I was catching what appeared to be green sunfish, pumpkin seed hybrids, and well, make sure he goes back in the water. There we go, got another one. What do we got here? Look at that, another bluegill. Right on, right on. This thing is a feisty son of a biscuit. Look at him fighting. Not a bad sized one either, to be completely honest with you. I mean, it could be bigger, but it's not bad. Right up here by the shore, this water is warm. I could feel how warm the water is on these fish's bodies. Nice little bluegill, not a big one, but still decent size. Put up a good little fight. Let's put it back in the water. Catch it another day. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this bass. I just fought this thing on ultralight equipment here. Unbelievable. The size hit a real tiny crankbait. Battery died on me. Unfortunately, when I was fighting him, it was a hell of a fight. But alright, I just wanted to let you guys see this bad boy. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the water here. Alright guys, here I am, day 2. Heading down to the same bass pond I was at earlier, yesterday actually. It's about 5:30 in the morning, a little tired. But the Fishbrain app said we had about a 14% chance of catching bass, which is actually better than the chances that they gave us yesterday. And we caught bass yesterday. So with that in mind, we're going to head back down here this morning with a little bit better chance, according to the Fishbrain app, and see if we have any better luck. Also, pretty soon, according to the app, it's going to be a good time to catch some crappie as well. We'll see if crappie are down here too. But let's start off fishing bass, and without further delay, let's do some fishing. There we go. We got one. We got one, ladies and gentlemen. Man, this is a nice sized bass, too. Holy cow, we don't want to lose this one. Oh boy, that's a big one, guys. We got to get this one in here. We can't lose this one. Son of a biscuit. This thing is big. Oh my God, this might be the... Don't lose it, Jake. Don't lose it, Jake. Don't lose it, Jake. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come up here. Holy cow. This is by far the biggest bass I think I've ever pulled out of this pond. This thing is huge. Oh, I don't want to lose it. Oh, I don't want to lose it. Get up here. Might have to get a little, getting a little bit wet. It's alright though. It's alright. Holy shit. A little wet, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Holy cow. Look at the size of this bass. Oh my God. Unbelievable. My God. This thing is a tank and a half. Holy shit. This has got to be a good 4-pounder, guys. This bass is huge. I don't know if you guys could see this thing. It is monstrous. Biggest bass I've caught out of here. Wish I had a scale for it, but I don't. But this thing is a monster. I could barely hold it up. It's got to be a good 4 or 5 pounds right here. Big fish. Biggest I've caught. You have no idea how excited I am. I don't want to put it in the back in the water, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to put it back in the water. My God, beautiful fish right here. Hope you guys can see that right there. Wow, unbelievable. All right, let's reluctantly put this tank back in the water. Let's get you back on there. Oh, shit. There we go, guys. Got another one on. Make sure that hook is set nice and deep. You don't want to lose this one. Come on. It's caught here in these weeds here. There we go. Another one. Not as big as the last one. Still a nice sized freaking bass, though. Gotta love catching these things. I tell you what, this is the best bass and pond I've ever been to. Got a cigarette in my mouth right now, so bear with me. Another good sized fish. This one's about a 3-pounder, I think. Nice size, man. Maybe Fishbrain was right. Look at that, another good sized fish. Right there. Unbelievable, man. I love this pond. I can't express you guys. I know this is the second video I've made here so far. I just can't get enough of this place. The bass fishing is spectacular. You gotta love it. And they're not little ones. I mean, there are some little ones in here, but the majority of the bass I've caught out here are relatively large, as you can see, especially for a little pond. So hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We're going to see if we can catch a few more of these bad boys out here. Alright guys, day 2. Bassing. We caught the biggest bass I've honestly ever caught out of that pond in my life. Felt like it was a good 5-pounder. Maybe even more. Put up a heck of a fight. We did get it up to shore though. Caught another one, a little bit smaller, probably about a 3-pounder. And then on top of that, had another big one on the line, but lost it. But day 2 wrapped up at Clark Ditch, Aberdeen Pond. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, stay up to date on future content. And if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. We'll see you next time. Holy cow, look at that thing breaking one. Ah, we lost it.